Okay, ladies, and especially for my black ladies, right? So check it, right? Well, women in the West, there is a reason why men are leaving, right? There's a reason, and I think y'all know this already. Y'all know this. Y'all know you're not submissive. Y'all just know y'all don't respect your men. You know this, right? You know the laws. You know they actually incentivize women to actually leave their husbands, right? Y'all know this, right? But the question you need to ask is, what countries are, Western men, American men actually going to actually go find wives, right? And what's the reason? The number one place where men actually go to settle down and find wives is actually in the East, either the Philippines or Thailand, right? Now the question is why? Now for some of y'all simple ass women, right? Y'all be the quick ones to say, oh, because they're broke, they can't speak no English, they're trying to get visas to come over here. Child, listen. Philippines are some of those smartest women out there, and they're sassy, and they're mixed with black too, right? And they're not broke, right? These are some of these women. They are lawyers, they're doctors, and everything, right? But where they differentiate themselves from women in the United States is simply this, right? That submission, and they are so fit. Oh my God! Like Asian women, just go on any app, you can see how fit they are.